Got a check engine light and the scan tool says P0132? That means your oxygen sensor on bank 1 sensor 1 is sending too much voltage, and that's not good. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it fast. What is P0132? The P0132 trouble code refers to the upstream oxygen sensor, also called sensor 1 on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Normally, this sensor produces a voltage between 0.1 to 0.9 volts to indicate air-fuel ratio. But when the ECM sees a constant high voltage, usually over 0.9 volts, it triggers this code. That usually means the sensor is reading a rich mixture or is just stuck. Symptoms of P0132. Check engine light stays on. Poor fuel economy. Rough idle or hesitation. Black smoke from exhaust. Failed emissions test. If your car has this code, you might notice it burning more fuel, idling poorly, or even blowing black smoke, especially on cold starts. What causes P0132? Here are the most common causes. Faulty O2 sensor, stuck in high voltage. Shorted wiring, signal wire touching power. Rich air-fuel mixture, bad fuel pressure regulator or leaking injector. Coolant temp sensor malfunction, sending wrong temp to the ECU. ECM fault, rare, but possible. In most cases, it's either the O2 sensor itself or wiring issues. Diagnosis and fix. Start with a scan tool. Watch the O2 voltage in live data. If it stays above 0.9 V, unplug the sensor. If the reading drops, the sensor is likely bad. Check for shorted wires, especially the signal wire going to the ECU. Also, inspect for signs of a rich running engine, like fuel smell in the oil or leaky injectors. If the sensor is confirmed faulty, replace it. Always reset the code afterward and test drive. To wrap up, P0132 is usually caused by a stuck or shorted oxygen sensor or a rich fuel condition. It's not the most dangerous code, but it can kill fuel economy and damage your catalytic converter over time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick DTC guides, and let us know in the comments if you've had to deal with this one.